Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly, and I hope that everybody's having a great day so far. And in today's video, I wanted to share a recipe for Salsa Verde chicken enchilada casserole. And it's a very easy recipe to make, and I hope that you will enjoy making this for your family sometime in the future. You will need 1 pound of chicken cooked and shredded. You need at least 12 small corn tortillas, some salt and some pepper, and Salsa Verde, you want the 16-ounce jar, and you will need 2 jars. You need 3 cloves of garlic minced, 1 sweet onion that's chopped small, and an 8-ounce bag of Monterey Jack cheese that's shredded, and an 8-ounce container of sour cream. Now I only had a 16-ounce, so I'm only using half of that. Now add about a teaspoon or 2 of olive oil to your pot, and then once the oil is heated, then add your onions, and you want to cook that until they're cooked down a little bit, translucent, 2 to 3 minutes. Once you do that, add your garlic, and you want to just cook that for about a minute or so because you don't want that to burn. Then add just a little bit of salt and pepper to your onions, but then you're going to start adding your chicken to the onion and garlic mixture. Now you want to add the whole bottle of the Salsa Verde. Now I add the chicken to the sauce just a little bit at a time. That way I'm not putting too much, and I can make sure it's not going to be too dry or too soupy. So you want to balance there. You want it to be thick and moist, I guess would be the word. Not soupy, and you don't want it to be dry. So continue to add your chicken and just make sure you stir it well. And then this should be the consistency you end up with. Now add your chicken mixture, just a thin layer on the bottom of a 9x9 pan. Then add your Salsa Verde to a small frying pan. You will add more as you need it. Then just for a few seconds you want to put the tortillas in that. And you're basically getting each side dipped into the sauce, but do not leave it in for more than a few seconds because it will tear just like the one that's there in that pan. Now continue, you're going to start layering. So layer your chicken, then a little bit of the sour cream, spread that out the best you can, a thin layer of that, then add your cheese over it. Then you're going to continue to repeat. So add your tortillas, your chicken, your sour cream, and the cheese. Now the very last thing on the very last layer will be the cheese on top. And you're going to want to put this in an oven that has been preheated on 350, and you want to bake this for about a half an hour or until the cheese on top has melted and has a brown crust on top, but not burned. So keep an eye on it. You can also put foil over it if you feel like you need to do that. And this is what it will look like when it's done. It really is a tasty meal. It has good flavor, and I hope you decide to make this for your family. And I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you give it a thumbs up if you like it. And please click the subscribe button and that notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. And I hope that everyone has a blessed day and a blessed week ahead.